so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah!
Hey, it's me, Blippi.
Hi, and I'm Meekah.
And look at where we're at. Today, we're at Lucky Art Crayonology.
Yep, in Montclair, California.
And this place is so cool. We heard that you can make your very own crayons here.
Yeah, and you can make your own markers.
Whoa, that sounds like so much fun.
No! Should we do it?
Yeah,
All
let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey!
Welcome to Lucky Art Crayonology.
Oh, thanks for having us. I'm Blippi.
Hi, I'm Meekah. What are your names?
My name is Sam. And my name is Gigi.
Aw, nice to meet you two. What do you two do here?
We are Crayonology instructors.
Oh, cool. Well, we really want to make our very own crayons and markers.
Well, you're just in luck. We have some crayon and marker machines in the studio waiting for you.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
You guys have fun. If you need any help, please let us know.
Okay,
Awesome.
we will. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go.
Whoa.
I think this is where you make the ink for the markers.
Yeah, I think you're right. It
Oh.
looks like all of the ingredients that we need to make our very own markers.
Oh, yeah. Like water, propylene glycol,
Yep, surfactants, sodium benzoate, and
dye.
yeah.
Cool. Well, shall we put in the water?
Sure.
Okay.
Ooh, good job.
Oh, and check this out, Meekah. Oh, see these?
Oh, yeah.
Those are magnets. Put on the bottom, right there.
Mhm.
And then, look. Oh, it spins and mixes it.
Yeah, it's gonna help mix all of the ingredients together.
Whoa. All right, you wanna do the next couple?
Sure, thanks.
Woohoo!
Whoop.
Whoa!
Ooh.
Just like baking and cooking, yeah, you use so many different ingredients to make the finished product.
Yeah, wanna do this one?
Sure, thank you. Whoop.
Ooh.
Here we go. Oh, and the dye.
Yeah, let's see what colors we have here.
Ooh, interesting. It says purple.
And this one says blue.
Do you want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to go first?
Oh, go ahead.
Okay. Whee!
Whoa, that's really blue.
Whoa, it's a very dark blue.
Yeah, here comes the purple.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Whoa, it's really dark.
Yeah, I like that color.
Yeah, I bet this is gonna look really good when it's added to a marker.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
Wow, shall we go pour it in?
Yeah, I think it's mixed pretty well.
All right, there we go. Okay, perfect.
All right,
All
let's go. There it goes.
Yeah, I bet this is gonna make for some really blue markers.
Yeah, really blue.
Whoa, cool.
Whoa, look at this machine.
Whoa, it's so intricate.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this. Yeah, they kind of look like markers, right?
Yeah, but they're just the holders.
Yeah, the casings of the markers, and there's a lot of them in here.
Uh-huh.
Looks like they go all the way down this marker chute.
Yep.
Look at that.
Yeah, well, these are the sponges. They roll down here, and then this machine injects the ink into the sponge.
Whoa, cool. Then it gets inserted into the marker casing, goes down here, and then, whoa, do you see these? Thimbles. Is that what they're called?
Yeah, they do look like thimbles, but these are the plugs.
Yeah, the plugs that go on the back of the marker, so then the sponge doesn't fall out.
Yep, pretty smart.
Whoa.
Whoa, and look at these.
Whoa. Hey, looks like a Q-tip.
Yeah, or teeth. Or I'm a walrus.
Oh,
I don't know
silly.
if a walrus sounds like that.
Yeah. Or
Ooh,
antennas.
They're so cute.
Oh.
So the tips, they'll roll down here and then be inserted into the marker holder.
Yeah, and the tip is what you write with, right?
Yep, that's right.
Cool. Yeah, the ink fills it up, and then you can write with it.
Yeah.
It goes all the way down here, and then, yeah, the caps. There's so many blue caps. Check it out. Whoa. That's what then goes on the tip. Yeah, the top of the marker.
Yep.
So then it doesn't dry out.
Yeah, you want to make sure you put the lid on your marker when you're done coloring.
Yeah. And then, looks like they go like this and go
Yep.
fall down to the bottom in that
That's right.
big bend. Shall we turn it on?
Yeah, I can't wait to see what happens.
All right. Twist that.
Alrighty.
All right, you want to do it together?
Yeah.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
Okay.
Oh,
Have our markers.
lots of markers.
Yeah,
Oh,
put
don't
'em-
forget about this one.
Oh yeah, put it right there in the jam bag.
There you go.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, check it out, Meekah. Looks like a crayon maker.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, and look at this big shape right here.
Oh yeah, it looks like two long straight lines right there.
Yep, and two short ones right here.
Hey, and 90-degree angles.
That's right.
What shape is that? It's a
Rectangle.
Oh, and then there's a bunch of circles in there.
Yeah, that's where all the wax is gonna go.
Oh, cool. Speaking of wax, shall we get some?
Let's do it. Here you are.
Oh yeah, gloves. First things first.
Safety
first.
Gotta protect our hands.
Yeah. Oh, look, maybe that's what we put the wax in.
It is. It's a kettle.
Oh, kind of looks like a teapot.
Yeah, but no tea in here.
Nope, only wax.
That's right. Okay, we're gonna fill it up. Can you guess what color it's gonna be?
Probably red.
Yep.
There we go. Oh, yeah. It is red.
Yeah, look.
Oh, kind of looks yummy. I'm not going to drink that.
Oh, no. You do not want to do that.
Whoa, how high are you going to fill it up?
I'm gonna fill it up, I think, to about here.
Ooh, fun.
Yeah. Do you know red things that you could eat?
Maybe like a red apple?
Ooh, delicious.
Yeah.
Or a tomato?
Ooh, you love tomatoes.
I really do.
Yeah, or strawberries,
Oh,
or
yeah.
raspberries, or blueberries.
Wait a second.
Tricked you. Whoa, nice and full.
Almost there.
Okay.
It's getting heavier.
Whoa, is it?
Whoa.
Ooh, and it's really warm.
That's right.
Whoa. Yeah, when
Okay.
this wax cools down, I'm guessing it's gonna turn really hard like a crayon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Perfect. Ooh, and check this out. Yeah, this is a strainer, so then nothing goes down here but the wax.
good. That's right.
Perfect.
All right. We're gonna work together. You pour it
Whoa.
nice and slow.
Oh, good job.
Thank you.
You're a good pourer.
Thanks.
Whoa. Whoa. Whee.
There it goes. It's going into all of the holes.
Oh yeah, it's filling it up to the top. Let's move this way. Teamwork.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh,
Oh, it's really filling up, huh?
yeah, it is. Whoa. There we go. Go this way.
I'm coming.
Whoa, look, I'm shaking it.
Wow.
Okay, there we go.
There's a lot in here.
Yeah, you think that's enough?
Almost there.
Whoa.
Whoa, Blippi.
Okay. Whoa, we did
Okay.
a lot.
Yeah, that was a lot.
Yeah, well, now I think we wait, right?
Yep,
Here we go. Oh, thank you.
you got it.
Whoa, it looks ready.
Yeah, I think it's time.
Woohoo.
We can remove these pieces.
Oh yeah, it's not falling apart anymore. Remember? Yeah. It was all liquidy, but now it's a solid.
Yep.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, nice and organized.
I try. I like organization.
All right, shall we?
Yep.
Scrape away.
Okay.
Whoa, look at this. Whoa, you want to trade?
Sure. How did you know I wanted this one?
Yeah, well, I just wanted this one, so
Oh.
works out.
All
Ready?
right, here we go.
Whoa! Yeah, you just scrape it. There we go. And look, yeah, the tops are nice and flat since we're scraping.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa!
So all the parts that we didn't scrape off, that's gonna be our crayons.
Yeah, because the liquid filled up those tubes, yeah, and probably made some cylinders.
Ooh, let's see if you're right.
Yeah, there we go. Whoa! All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Let's make it! They're so silly.
I know.
Whoa!
Oh, looks like they're growing.
Whoa! Yeah. They're very tall.
Yeah.
Oh, check it out. Yeah. Looks like a circle that way, but a cylinder that way.
That's right. A nice fresh crayon. Woo.
Yeah, I bet you could draw a lot of red things with this.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
You can
woohoo.
write your name.
Ooh, you could even draw a morphle.
Oh.
Well, shall we grab them?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, here we go. Whoa!
Yeah.
So cool.
Wow, so many.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alrighty. Right, 425. have.
Wow,
Ooh.
we made a lot of crayons.
Yeah, we did.
Whoa, look at this.
Wow.
Wow, are these little chunks of crayons?
That's right.
Wow.
Really tiny, see?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you have red, and I have pink.
That's right.
Whoa, so these used to be big crayons?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then they smushed them up into really tiny pieces? Whoa, Meekah, check it out.
It almost
Purple.
looks like purple dust.
Oh, yeah, do you like it?
I love it. One of my favorite colors.
Yeah. Ooh, and check this one out. One of my two favorite
Whoa.
colors.
That's a really bright orange.
Yeah, it is.
Look
Just
at this blue one.
Whoa, I love that one too.
Whoa.
So cool looking.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Look at this one. Oh, that's okay. Look at this one.
Whoa, multicolored.
Whoa. Yeah, it looks like a rainbow, right?
Yeah, it reminds me of a unicorn.
Whoa, cool. Okay. Hey, look at these. Are these little cups?
Yeah, so what you can do is take some scoops of the broken pieces of crayons and fill it up, and then we can pour it into a mold to make a brand new crayon.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too.
We're basically recycling old crayons and making new crayons.
That's exactly right.
Wow, let's see. What colors are you gonna do?
Whoa, there's even more over here.
Oh yeah, you're right. Check it out. Green.
Ooh.
Like the color of grass.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of blue and orange, I think.
Okay, classic you.
There's a little.
I have some yellow, one of my faves.
Ooh, I'll do a little bit of orange. Oh, I'm definitely gonna do some rainbow. Whoa, very nice.
Thanks.
Are you above the line?
Yep.
Hey, me too. Check it out. Whoa, all right, shall we go?
Yeah, come on. Alrighty.
Woohoo!
Whoa, look at this one.
Whoa, this must be the crayon press.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It looks like it's gonna make a star shape.
Wow, cool. What a cool, unique custom crayon.
Yeah.
All right, look at this. I think this is oiled. I think we need to oil the bottom so it doesn't stick. Paintbrush. And then oil right there, huh?
Good job.
Okay, do you want to go first or me?
Oh, you go first.
Oh, you're so nice, Meekah. Okay, let's see. Let's pour it right in here, right into the mold. Here we go.
Oh, I love all the colors that you chose.
Oh, thanks. Oh, that's really tall. Let's see. Maybe we need to go like that.
That works.
Okay.
Okay, put the top on.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, hopefully I didn't fill it up too high.
I think it's gonna be really good.
Okay, push that in like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then let's twist this to the right, and then we pump it.
Whoa, use those muscles, Blippi. There you go.
Oh, do you see that? See that line? Yeah, we're trying to make that little black needle go to that line. Ready? Just like that. Maybe a little bit more.
Whoa.
Don't want to go too much. Okay, now you release it. Okay, just like that. All right, let's see my crayon.
All right, I'm excited.
Oh, wait. This is how we get it out.
Oh, yeah.
Turn this. Whoa, cool.
Look at that.
Wow, it's so colorful. Look at the back. I bet that would look so cool drawing with it.
Yeah, you could make a really colorful picture just using one crayon.
Cool, you wanna go?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Okay, let me move this. Here's
All
your
right.
colors.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
I got
it
oil
first.
up.
Okay,
All right.
let's see.
Oh, so it has to go back down?
Back down.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Okay.
So put a little oil in there.
Okay. And what about right here?
Oh, yeah. That way it won't stick.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Thanks.
Just like baking.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, making sure the pan's nice and oiled.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's all of my colors.
Whoa, so colorful.
Ready?
You did a great job.
Thanks, Blippi.
Yeah.
There you go.
Whoa! I definitely see a lot of purple and yellow.
Oh, yeah, you know me.
Okay, can I put this on there for you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
All right, use those muscles.
I'm ready. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, wait a second.
We forgot.
We forgot to put that in and turn this.
Oh, man.
We're so silly
I know.
sometimes. Okay, now use
now
those
my muscles are ready.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Woo, thanks for the support.
Whoa, you're whoa, Meekah! Whoa!
I got excited.
She went way too much. I wonder if it's still gonna work. Let's find out.
Uh-oh.
Did you see how high?
Yeah, I got too excited. All right, let's
Okay.
see.
You want to turn that?
Oop.
Oh, wait. We pull it out, right?
Yeah, there we go.
Perfect. All right. Now turn away.
Now turn. We're learning, we're learning.
Yeah. Whoa. Now that is one compressed crayon.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that was fun.
the
Do you want to
other
make
side.
some more?
Yeah, I want to make a lot.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
Whoa.
Big piece of paper.
I wonder what we should do on this.
Maybe we should
Draw. Draw and color.
Yeah, we can do both because we made a lot of things, like markers.
Ooh, like the blue markers.
We also have red crayons.
Ooh. There we go.
And we also did some fun shapes.
So colorful.
Yeah, look at all these.
Whoa. I'm gonna use this one.
Ah, you like that one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you ready?
Yeah, now I am.
We made so many.
We really did.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, does this look like my curls?
Oh, yeah, it does. Does this look like a really long snake?
Yeah, a really colorful snake.
Yeah, it's so cool how it changes colors.
Yeah.
Because we use different colors.
That's right, and mine looks mostly red, even though it's pink with a lot of different colors inside. It's kind of a little surprise.
Whoa, cool. I'll be right back, okay?
Whoa, look, orange and blue, two of Blippi's favorite colors. See?
Oh, Meekah! Check it out!
Blippi, where did you get that?
Oh, just a little secret.
Wow, that is a really big crayon.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Hey.
So massive.
I think I have something too that I couldn't fit in my jam pack. I'll
Really?
be right back.
Okay, I'll color in the meantime. Whoa!
I'll join you.
Whoa! What a giant marker!
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, now we can color together.
Let's do it.
Whoa!
Hey!
We had so much fun today.
Yeah, it was such an awesome time.
I'm so glad you had fun. It looks like you guys didn't need any help.
Nope.
We figured it all on our own.
We sure did. Oh, and we have a little something for the both of you. A star for you and a star for you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
We
of
actually have some gifts for you too. So this is for you, Meekah. This is for you.
Aw, thank you so much. Gifts.
Yeah, check it out.
Whoa, mine says Blippi.
And mine says Meekah.
Wow, that was so nice of you two.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
right,
Bye-bye.
see you later. Wow, did you have fun today, Meekah?
I sure did, especially hanging out with you, Blippi.
Aw, you do. Wow, I loved making markers.
Yeah, and we made all of those red crayons.
Oh, yeah. And also those crayons where we pressed with all those multiple colors.
Yeah, and now we have our names, and each letter is a crayon.
So cool.
Yeah.
Well, if you had a lot of fun today and want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Cool. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job.
Hey, will you spell my name with us? Awesome.
M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. All right. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Meekah!